Systematics, I'm back. It's been 3 months. Unacceptable. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for a keyboard mouse headset combo, after you check out this one, go ahead and check out the upper right hand corner of the screen. That's going to be a whole entire playlist of every single keyboard mouse headset combo that I have uploaded to this YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be checking out a combo by Felicon. Let's get it unboxed and take a look. The very first keyboard mouse headset combo that I have ever uploaded to this channel was by Red Dragon. You can check out that video in the upper right hand corner of the screen, but no keyboard has come even close to that combo set up until now. The keyboard comes with feet on the back, and the keyboard is 310 millimeters long, the width is 120 millimeters, and the height is 36.8 millimeters. The lighting is only rainbow. That means there's no solid colors. Each row is going to be a static color. You have orange, green, blue, pink, and red. So you have 9 lighting modes, and those modes are toggled by holding down function and hitting the insert key. So here's function, insert. There you can see the breathing mode. So we'll do function, insert again. It actually goes from top down through each row. Let's go in the opposite direction. Starting from the middle and going out. Starting from the outside going in. And this seems to be more of like a random lighting effect for each row. And off. After off, we have a different breathing mode. And then every single row is on at the same time, which is the last mode. These mechanical keys are Hot Swap B-Sun blue switches that are by Blue Axis. I really like this mechanical keyboard. My only gripe with it was that when you go to press the caps lock button, there's absolutely no indicator light that lets you know the caps lock is toggled. That's the only pet peeve I have for this keyboard. Other than that, it's an amazing keyboard for this combo. Alright, so moving on to the headset. You have your LED lighting here, which I will show you in a second. You have the microphone here. This right here is the 2-channel stereo. And this USB part here serves to only light the LED RGB lighting on the headset. So you'll have to use one of these split adapters to get your microphone to work. The red is for the microphone. The green is for the stereo, for the sound. As for the headset, this really does look and feel cheaper than what you would see in the picture. However, it really is very functional and comfortable. As for the mouse, we have USB connectivity here. You have your DPI settings button here, which also changes the color, and the color is in accordance to each specific DPI. The mouse DPI settings are 6 levels, and they can be adjusted from 800 all the way up to 6400. You have your wheel here, which also lights up RGB, and you can actually click that. You can push down on the wheel. You have your 2 thumb buttons. And right down here, you have the RGB mode button, which I can show you that for me personally, I could not get this to work for the life of me. I did check other YouTube videos, which I will leave those channels in the description below, which will show you what happens when you push the mode button for this mouse.
But when I went to push this mode button, you could not clearly see the modes shift and change when you go to push the button like you do in those other YouTube videos from those other channels. This mouse really does look great when it's lit up via RGB. I've had no issues with it playing games, but I will say that this is the first mouse pad that I've found in a combo set where I legitimately did not like this mouse pad. I don't know what texture this is. It's not very smooth. It doesn't glide well with mice on it. For some reason, it just does not glide as well as all the other mouse pads I've used in previous combo sets. So that still wouldn't be a deal breaker for me personally. If I were to get this combo set, I would just use a different mouse pad. So as you can see, this mouse is cut out honeycomb to make the mouse lighter. And if we were actually to set this on the scale, we're looking at about 72, 73 grams. And I really did not have any issues with this mouse whatsoever. I will say that this is extremely subjective because everyone has their own mouse that they're used to. So there's always that factor that it's going to take time for me to get used to any other peripheral, whether it be a mouse or a keyboard. But I did not have any functional issues with this mouse. As I was looking through the description for the Amazon page of this combo set, I found a couple of things to be inaccurate. The first thing is that it states that the headset is surround sound. It is not surround sound, it's only stereo. And the second thing is it states that it comes with a wrist rest. My keyboard mouse headset combo did not come with a wrist rest. But if you'd like to find out more about this combo set, go ahead and check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. You can use that link to not only buy the combo set, but you can buy anything you want, and when you use that link, it helps out the channel at no extra cost to you. So go ahead and like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.